Next, January 3 tayo. January 3. Mayor's permit and health inspection fees are paid 1,500 pesos. Mayor's permit. So, let's analyze the transaction. Mr. Romel Lobanco paid mayor's permit and the other health inspection fee. Other fees, just like this one, yung health inspection, total amounting to 1,500 ang kanyang payment. So, lagay ulit tayo, debit and then credit. DR is the abbreviation ng debit, CR is for credit. Mayor's permit and health inspection fees. So, permits and licenses ang ating value received. Permits and licenses amounting to 1,500. And then, ano yung ating credit entry? Credit entry here will be what? Ito yung sinasabi ko, if the transaction is silent, then we will use cash. Okay, walang term na account, wala ring term na credit, therefore we will use cash. The transaction is silent. Always use cash. Okay, as you can see, sa transaction, walang minention na cash. Right? Walang naka-mention. Hindi naka-indicate. As compared ito sa number, sa January 2, meron, may cash. Okay, sa number 3, yung kanyang mode or term ng kanyang payment, it's not indicated. So, therefore, the transaction is silent. We will use cash. Credit, cash, same amount, 1,500 credit. Nasundan po. Okay, to record. To record. The payment of permits and other fees. Yan lang. Next, January 5. January 5, Romelo Banco buys machinery and equipment costing 15,000 pesos by paying 10,000 from the business funds and issuing a promissory note for the balance. Okay, si Mr. Lobanco, bumili siya ng machinery and equipment. Yung total machinery and equipment value or cost is 15,000 pesos. Next, yung kanyang mode ng payment ay dalawa, paying 10,000 pesos from the business funds and isa pa, nag-issue siya ng promissory note for the balance. Therefore, we have 3 entries here. So, debit and then credit entry. Yung una, value received, always on the debit side, value received, which is machinery and equipment, right? Machinery and equipment. So, code lang muna tayo. Hindi siya kasya. Machinery and equipment. Debit, what's the total value ng machinery and equipment? Nakalagay po, 15,000 pesos. Then credit, the two mode ng kanyang payment, 10,000, paying 10,000 from the business funds. Therefore, it is cash. Credit, 10,000 pesos. And another mode ng kanyang payment ay promissory note. promissory note for the balance. So, magkano yung balance ng 15,000 pesos na machinery and equipment, and then nagbayad siya ng 10,000, we will now have 5,000 pesos amount sa promissory note. And as you can see, balance yung ating amount sa debit side and also sa credit side. Balance yan, 15,000 pesos. Debit, again, machinery and equipment, 15,000 pesos. Credit cash, 10,000 pesos. Nakalagay po yan sa transaction, 10,000 pesos. And then another one, a term ng payment ay through promissory note, credit 5,000 pesos. So, to record the machinery and equipment bought through cash and through promissory note. And through promissory note. One more, January 8th. Tools such as wrench, pliers, cutters, and jacks are bought for 7,000 cash. Okay, of course, this kind ng mga tools are used sa ganitong type ng business, right? Sa mga repair shop. Ayan, they will be needing this. Wrench, pliers, cutters, and jacks, and so on. Lahat yan. So, debit and credit. So, ano yung value received? Tools. ₱7,000. And then, ito, naka-mention din sa transaction. The payment is through cash, credit cash, 7,000 pesos. And then, to record the tools bought through cash. Yan po.